Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Hassan Ali Shah and you are watching Hassan Skill and Tech channel. In today's video we will discuss about how we can connect a LAN cable to our mobile phone or any Android devices. This connection is useful for those people who have latest generation laptop that come with only type C connection and that do not have any USB port. So you can take this connection as a type C to LAN, and also for those people who want to use a printer through their mobile phone, so you can easily connect it to your printer which has a LAN port to your mobile phone, and you can easily print from your phone. And we all know that LAN connection is more superior than Wi-Fi connection. Without wasting more time, let's get into it. Okay guys, for this connection we will need these four things. As you can see, this OTG connector for type C, and this one is the USB LAN card, which is USB 3 gigabit LAN card. This is a mobile phone through which we will make this connection through its type C, and this is a LAN cable. So first of all guys, let's connect this OTG to our mobile phone. So guys, when we connect this OTG, you see a message. So you have to turn on OTG setting. Go to setting, and from here OTG is turned off, so you have to turn it on and go back. So this all we have to do with the OTG connection, and now we have to connect this LAN card. Friends, this connection will not need any installation, just plug and play. We will connect this LAN connection to this LAN card, and you can see light is blinking in this LAN card. Now guys, we have to turn off the Wi-Fi of the mobile phone. You can see a sign for the LAN, but still we have to test. So we can turn off the Wi-Fi and also turn off the data to make sure. Now we are only using the LAN connection. So on the top right you can see LAN connection. Now let's browse, open YouTube. Guys, you can see the speed of LAN connection, which is far more better than Wi-Fi. You can also use this connection for a latest laptop which come with only type C and that has no USB connection. And also you can use this connection for your printer which has a LAN connection. Hope you guys this video was helpful for you. So please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.